Rod here. I've spent the last 25 years, give or take, working in learning technology. And I had a few people call me the other day and say, what's happening? We've got AI, everyone's talking about AI. What do I think and what are we doing and how are we responding? So I thought I'd just share, this is what I was talking to them about, and I thought I'd share it on socials with others, which was with AI, where we're moving beyond just using it to prompt and grab information and pull it together and just that, to create and source information. What we need to be focusing on and what we're looking at is the reasoning and connecting. So we've got AI as a toolkit, and you have multiple toolkits. So there are limitations with AI and what it can generate and what it can do, and the strengths in certain contexts and certain tools and widgets. So you interconnect them all to draw their strengths. So an example would be, let's hypothetically say we're creating an AI tool to be able to create e-learning. So we would have it to prompt it to say, I want a training course on this to achieve this. And it would create the storyboard to then create the visuals to support the information within that script, to then build the course to create it. And then let's hypothetically say we're using different tools to do that, to be able to grab the content, to then another tool kit to edit the content, to then pull in some images and to create bits and pieces. And now what we need to do is the reasoning part to it. And this is where the interconnection comes with the toolkit, AI toolkits, because let's call it reasoning. So we need to reason that. And from a reporting point of view, we've given it a prompt to achieve something now, and it's created that. Now it should know, and a toolkit for the AI toolkit to know what I want to achieve from an objective point of view, it's created it. So now it should know, and there's a toolkit that would then have reporting and measuring that. So it's going to pull and put in xAPI statements inside that course to allow me to track the big data learning analytics. So it'd know what I'm trying to achieve, the objectives, and it'd pull that and put the xAPI statements within the course at certain times to be able to track and measure what I'm wanting to achieve. Now, the reasoning with the AI for that toolkit comes in and does that element of it, when there's other AI toolkits pulling the other pieces together, and hence that whole interconnection with AI and the toolkit. So then again, just to reiterate, it'd create it, but then it'd know what I'm wanting to achieve out of creating it with that reasoning, and it'd put xAPI statements to be able to track and report what I want. And that's where we need to be looking. That's what we need to be doing over 2025. 2025 isn't the time where we start using ChatGPT and grabbing content. We've all done that. We've all been doing that. So now this is where we need to get to. And these are the interconnection with the AI toolkits to be able to create the reasoning. And that's what we need to focus on.